Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we have discussed the addition and subtraction of fractions. In that exercise 2.1 you have solved. So today we are going to discuss multiplication of fractions. So in the addition and the subtraction of fractions there are two cases are there. When the denominator are same, add or subtract the numerator. When the denominator are different, we have to take out the LCM of the denominator and apply for the LCM to numerator, then you have to calculate the addition and subtraction of the given sum. But the multiplications of the fractions, there is no any cases, but one condition is there, one rule is there. What are the rule? See, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. This is one of the fraction and the another fraction. This is numerator and the denominator. Okay, so numerator and denominator and the numerator by denominator. There are two fractions, two or more than two fractions. When you are multiplying numerator and denominator, we have to divide it, and denominator numerator have to divide it. Okay, this is division. Numerator denominator, denominator to numerator. Anyone. This is division. Correct. And also this is also division. Like this also division. Numerator by denominator is also division. This numerator, this denominator is also become a division. But numerator we have to multiply, denominator we have to multiply. But numerator it cannot divide, it become into, because this is a numerator portion and this is also numerator places there. The both are numerator, the numerator it cannot divide, it will become multiply. Like this, denominator is also become a multiplication, it not become a division. Understood? This rule we have to keep in our mind. Okay, have to memorize it. Next one, so this is the rule of multiplication. So more than two fractions, for example, numerator by denominator, n1 d1 into n2 d2 into n3 d3 is there. Okay, so one first fraction, second fraction, third fraction, more fractions grade ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ same rule, numerator denominator, this we have to divide it. This is numerator denominator. When with whatever numerator or whatever denominator, we have to divide it. Understood? So numerator and denominator, this numerator denominator have to divide it, and denominator numerator, this is also divided. So denominator numerator, what will it become? So it is also division. So these are all of these numerator denominator, this is also a what? Divisions. But n1 and n2, that means first numerator, second numerator, what will you have to multiply? And n2 and n3, second numerator, third numerator is also multiply. First numerator and the third numerator is also a multiplication. Like denominator is also numerator, nothing we have to do multiplication, we have to do division. Numerator by the denominator have to divide it. This rule you have to remember it. So next we will go to that multiplications of fractions. In that, the first one, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. That means we have to multiply fraction and also whole number. Take it on one example. See, multiply in that first one, 3 by 8 into 10 is there. 3 by 8 is 10. 3 by 8 is one of the fraction. 10 is the whole number. When the fraction by a whole number, how you are multiplying by fraction by a whole number? See students, 3 by 8 is the one of the fraction, 10 is the whole number. So nothing is there means 1 is there. 10 by 1 is also become a fraction. So now what are the rule? Are you understood? That rule you have to apply here. Here 8 is there, here 10 is there. So 8 it is in denominator or numerator? Yes, it is in denominator. 10 is in numerator. Therefore, denominator and numerator, what we have to do? Yes, it become a division. So these two numbers we have to divide it from the same number. Same number in the divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8 ones are 8 2s ಮಾಡೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So same number in the divide ಆಗಬೇಕು. So which number has divided from 8 and 10? Which number is going from? Yes, 2. I will take 2s are. So 2 4s are 8. Okay, then 2 5s are 10. So in the numerator here 3 is there, here 5 is there, here 4 is there. Is there going any 5 and 4? No. 3 and 4, it is also not going. So now 3 and 5, what we have to do? Multiplication. Because 3 is the numerator, 5 is the numerator. Therefore you have to multiply that. 3 5s are 50. whole upon 4 into 1, 4. 15 by 4. That's all. Another one. 7 by 21 into 4 is there. 4. See, 7 is one of the 7 by 21 is the fraction and 4 is a whole number. See students, 21 4. Nothing is there means 1. Is it going from any number to 21 4? Is it divisible by 4 and 21 by the same number? It will not going. So 7 and 21 is it going? This is the numerator and this is the denominator. You have to divide it. So it will going 7 ones are 7, 3s are. Is it right? So what 3 and 4 is it going? No. Therefore numerator, denominator multiply that. Okay. 1 into 4, 4 by 3 ones are 3, 4 by 3. This is the product of the 7 by 21 into 4. Can you understand? Fraction by a whole number. Now fraction by a fraction. So ಎರಡು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎರಡು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ 3 by 10 into 15 by 4 is there. 3 by 10 and 15 by 4. So 3 by 10 is one fraction and 15 by 4 is another fractions. These two fractions we have to multiply that. So very simple. 3 and 10 we have to divide it and 15 and 4 is also become a division. But 15 and 4 is not divisible by the same number and 3 and 10 is also not divisible by the same number. So we have to see like this. 10 and 15 is also a division. So 15 and 10 is it going from any number? Yes. How many are? 5 3s are, 5 2s are. Now so 3 and 4 are 3 and 4, 3 and 2 is it going from any number? 2 and 4 what we have to do? 2 is a numerator and 4 is also 2 is a denominator, 4 is also denominator. Can you divide it 2 and 4? No, it cannot divide because these two are a denominator. So denominator what we have to do? Multiplications. Therefore, so 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 whole upon 2 4s are 8, 9 by 8. That's all. So like this we have to multiply. I will take another example. 4 upon 13 into 2 upon 16 is there. 4 upon 13 and 2 upon 16. See, 4 and 16 is there, 2 and 16 is there, 13 and 2 is there, or 4 and 13 is there. So which number is going? 4 and 13 is not going, 2 and 16 is going, 4 and 16 is also going. Any one you have to do it, any one. So I will do it 4 and 16 because 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. Easily you have to divide it. That's why. So and 2 and 4 is there. Again you have to divide it. Again divide it. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now what is the numerator here? Here 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. 1 into 1 1. Here denominator what is there? 13 is there. Here 2 is there. So 13 2s are 26. Therefore 1 by 26 is the product of 4 by 13 into 2 by 16. Do you understand? Very simple students. These questions have to practice in our, but these we have to understand the what rules of the multiplication. That rules we have to remember. Then easily we have to find any kinds of fractions multiplication. Okay? Yes. So next we will go to directly exercise 2.2. See, in that exercise, first main, second main, very easy is there. We have to do in your home. I will go to the third main. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Lowest form means we have to divide it and convert into the mixed fractions. We know that mixed fraction, how to convert. So let us take one example. Third main, first one, 7 into what is that? 3 by 5. 7 into 3 by 5. This is whole number by a fraction. Correct. But 7 and 5 is there, 3 and 5. Nothing is going from any number. Therefore, numerator, denominator, you have to multiply that. 7 into 3, how much? 21. 5, how many is 5 as it is? Nothing is there, means 1 into 5, 5. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 by 5. This is become what? Improper fractions. And also, we have to what? Lowest form. We have to convert into the lowest form. So 21 and 5, these two numbers is not divisible by the same number. That's why 21 by 5 on the lowest form. And also convert into the mixed fraction. This number have to convert into the mixed fractions. How? Very simple. 5 how many is that? 5 4s are 20. 5 4s how much? 20. What is the remaining here? 1. 1 you have to write in the numerator. So what is the denominator here? 5. So 4 1 by 5. Very simple. So if you don't know, if you not understand, very simple. 21 you have to divide it. 5 4s are 20. 4 upon 1. Remaining is 1. This 1 is the goes to the numerator. 5 is goes to the denominator. So 4 1 by 5. So therefore, very simple. This is a direct method. This is traditional method. So we have to use this method. If you don't know, if you not understand, you come this method. Okay. So next one, next question. How much? What is the question number? Third. Second, you have to do here. So third one, we will go to the third. 2 into 6 by 7. 2 into 6 by 7. It is equal to 2 and 7. Is it going from any number? No. 6 and 7? No. 2 and 6. Is it going from any number? But going, but not divided, because 2 is a numerator, 6 is also a numerator, but not divided. You have to multiply that. 2 6 are 12 by 7 as it is. Now 12 by 7 is the lowest form. We cannot convert it to the lowest form because itself only lowest. So now you have to convert it to the mixed fractions. So 7 how many are 12? 7 ones are 7. What is the remaining? 7 ones are 7. Here 12 is there. 12 minus of 7. How much? 12 minus of 8 is become 5. 5 by 7. So 1 5 by 7 is a mixed fractions. You understood? So like this question number fifth one, I will go to the question number 5. What is the question number 5 is that students? 2 by 3 into 4. 2 by 3 into 4. It is equal to 3 and 4 is not going. 2 and 3 is also not going. 2 and 4 have to multiply 2 4 by 8 and 3 as it is. So 8 by 3 is a become 8 by 3 is the lowest form. Itself only lowest form. It will convert into the mixed form. So 3 2s are how much? 6. Correct? 6. What is the remaining here? 2. Next, what is the denominator? 3. 2 by 3 is the mixed form. Can you understand? So the remaining questions is that we have to solve in it. Okay. So sixth one I will show it. The remaining have to solve in it. Sixth one I will show it. Last one. So what is that? 5 by 2 into 6. 5 by 2 into 6. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. What is that? 5 3s are 15. 2 and 6 is going. That's why I will divide it. So here 3 and 4 is there, but it is not divided. Correct? By the same number. But here these two numbers are divided by the same number. That's why I will divide it. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So what is the remaining here? 1 is there. 5 into 3 how much? 15. So here 1 is there. 15 by 1 is what? 15 only. So it cannot convert into the mixed form. It is only a whole number. Understood? So that's why. So 8th and 9th, the remaining questions in this main have to solve in a home. Okay. The next I will go to the question number 5. See question number 5. Find first one. Fourth pen is there. This is the homework for you. It is also very simple. Is that picture? You have to painting it. You have to do it. So fifth one I will go to that. First one. 1 by find 1 by 2 of 24. First second one 46. See fifth main. First one. Find what is that? 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of what is the first one? First one is 24 and 46. 24 and second one is 46. See students, 1 by 2 half on there. What is that? Half is indicated as into. We know that already. So 1 by 2 half means into. First one I will find the answer. First 1 by 2 half means into. This 24 you have to multiply first. 24 one time you have to multiply by 1 by 2 and also 46 also multiply by 1 by 2. Okay. See 1 by 2 into 24. 2 and 24. Nothing is there means 1. 2 and 24. What you have to do? Divide it. So 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. What is the remaining here? 12. 12 into 1 12. 1 into 1 1. Nothing is there means 1 is there. It is understood. So 12 you have to write it. 1 you don't want to write 12. It is understood. So that's all. Next like that. Second one. So 1 by 2. Same. 1 by 2. Half means into. So you have to substitute this one. 46. Now you have to again divide it. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 23 into 1, 23. Very simple. So like this we have to do it. Okay. The second question is that 2 by 3 of B question. 2 by 3 of, in that first one, what is that? 18 and 27 is there. First one is 18 and second is 27. Same. 2 by 3 half means into. So first one we have to multiply by 18. 3 and 18. Is it going from any number? Yes. 3 is going from 3 ones are 3 6 are. What is the remaining? 6 twos are 12. Like that. Second one. So 2 by 3 again say 2 by 3 into half means into. Second one to get 27. Again is going from 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are 9 into 2 are 18. So like this we have to divide it. Have you understood? So very simple. In that next question, in the C is there, D is there. In the remaining two questions is there in that main, fifth main, you have to solve in your home. So I will go to the sixth main. Multiply and express as a mixed fractions. Same as in the third main. But in the third main, they are given in only the proper or improper fraction they are given. But here, mixed fractions with whole number they are given. Correct? Same rule. The mixed into convert into the improper first. So I will go to the sixth main. First one I will do it first. So 3 into 5 1 by 5. 3 into 5 1 by 5 is there. So first of all, 3 as it is right down into this mixed fractions we have to convert into the what improper fraction. Yes. First 5 into 5. How much? 25. 5 5s are. This one you have to multiply and this one you have to add. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Whole upon what is the denominator here? 5. So 26 by 5. Now 3 into 26 by 5 is there. 3 and 5 we have to divide it by the same number, but it is not going. 26 and 5 is there, it is also not going. So numerator, denominator, you have to multiply that. So 26 into 3, 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7, 78, whole upon 5. Now this number we have to express in the form of mixed form. So let us divide it. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, what is the remaining here? 2. Correct? 5 ones are 5, remaining 2. What is become? 28 become. So 5, how many are 28? Have to reduce it. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Here 28 is there. This product is 25. 28 minus of 25. What is the remaining? 3. 3 have to write in the numerator. Denominator what is there? 5. So 53 by 5. Okay. So next like that. C. This is A. Now C. 7 we have to do it in your home. 7 into 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. So 7 into, now again this is mixed to improper. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4. Okay. So next 7 and 4 is there, not going. 9 and 4 is also not going. 7 9s are 63. 4 upon 4. Now again you have to convert into the mixed form. So what is the mixed form here? See, 63 divided by 4 is there. 4 ones are 4. What is the remaining? 2, 23 is become 4 5s are 20. What is the remaining here? 3. So 15, 3 by 4. This is the mixed form of 63 by 4. So like that, F, I will go to the F question. So what is the F question is there? 3 2 by 5 into, what is that? 8. 3 2 by 5 into 8. So again you have to mix it to improper to mix it. 5 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 8. Now 17 by 5 into 8 is that 8 and 5 is not going, 17 and 5 is also not going. Therefore 17 into 8 you have to multiply. 7 8s are 17 8s are. You don't know, so that's why 8 7s are 56. I think 136. 8 7s are 56. Correct? 5 carry 8 are 8 plus 5 30. 136 whole upon 5. 17 8s are 136. If you don't know, you have to multiply 8 7s after 8 ones, then you have to add to the carry. So please have to learn up to 20 table. Okay, that's one. Next one, 136 whole upon 5 is there. You have to convert it to the improper mixed fractions. So 5, you have to take consider 2 digit. 5 2s are 10. What is the remaining? 3. 36 is become 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Here 36 is there. Here 35 is there. What is the remaining? 1. So that one you have to write in the numerator. What is the remaining here? 5. So 27 1 by 5 is the mixed form of 136 upon 5. Can you understand? So like this we have to solve it. The remaining questions in this way you have to solve in your home. Okay students? So last question number 7 is there. In the 8 is also 8 one you have to do in your home. So I will show that 7th one. Find 1 by 2 of See, find 1 by 2 of first one. 7th May. See, first one. What is that? 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. And second one 2 3 by 4. And second one 4 2 by 9. 4 2 by 9. Same this May. What is that? This May. 5th May same as in the 7th May. Okay. Here only that proper fractions are only proper or improper is there. Only proper. Like both are proper. I don't know. C and D. I think improper. You have to see it. Like this only you have to solve it. Okay. So 1 by 2 into C. 1 by 2 half means into. Then you have to multiply 2 3 by 4. Here in the 5th May they are given in the number, whole number. Proper fraction by a whole number. Here fraction by a fraction. Very simple. We know already. See, 1 by 2 into this mixed to improper. You have to convert improper. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Is it right? So next, 11 is 11. 4 2s are 8. This number you have to convert into the improper. So sorry, mixed. 8 1s are 8. What is the remaining? 3 by 8. 8 1 3 by 8. So like the second one, 1 by 2 of is into. So this is second one, this is first one. See, 1 by 2 half is into. Second one how much? 4 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 into 4 9s are 36 plus of 2 38 by 9. So this 1 by 2 into 38 by 9 is there, but 2 and 38 is going by the same number. So you have to divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. What is the remaining here? 1. It becomes 18. So therefore 2 9s are 18. So 19 and 9 is not going. Therefore 19 1s are 19. So 9 1s are 9. So therefore 9 have to convert into the improper mixed fraction. 9 2s are 18. What is the remaining? 1 by 9. So 2 1 by 9. That's all. Can you understood? So like this we have to solve 7th May. In the 7th May, second question is that you have to solve it. Okay. Yes, in the 8th question is that this is also homework for you. Okay. In the next classes we are discussing the next exercise means. Okay, students. Thank you.